What's up, everybody? It's your girl Kat back with another video. So this tutorial is how to achieve this soft, messy, faux locks, fox locks, dreads, whatever you want to call it. Basically, this is my sister. She's getting her hair done, and I also have my friend that's doing her hair. But throughout this video, you see that I'm also helping her kind of finish this look because it really took a long time. So before we start this tutorial, these are the hair brands that we are using. The brand name is Samra Dreadlocks, and we are using the 22-inch and 1B, and then we're also using a Marley twist, Afro twist braid. Now for each pack, I think we used about 7 packs of each like brand hair. Depending on how long you want them and how big or small you want them, it all varies for your preference, but that's just what we use. We also use jam, so don't forget your jam and your crochet needle. So if you guys want to know how to achieve this look, this was actually our first time doing this dread without having to pay hundreds of dollars for other people to do it. We all are friends and we all decided to just kind of help each other and learn how to do this hair. So I know that you all could do the same. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and without further ado, let's get straight into this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is part your hair in the middle. Section off your hair. As you can tell, my sister has a lot of hair. She is also transitioning, so you just want to get some of the hair out the way, make it a lot easier for you. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is section the bottom half of the hair, and we're going to apply the Shine and Jam product to define the line. I didn't record that part, but I'm going to try to get another clip of another YouTuber or another tutorial, so you guys can kind of get the idea of what we did, because I didn't record that part for you guys, which I apologize, but yeah.
The hair. After sectioning off the hair, I'm adding edge control, and then I'm going to start to define my parts. These are medium-sized square parts. And then I begin to do my individual braids.
Okay, so now that you guys got the hang of what I did and how I parted the hair, I'm going to show you guys how to actually do the dreads. Now, we're going to take the dread extension and then the crochet needle, and then I'm going to take the crochet needle and stick that needle through the hair, and then we're going to take a hole that is on top of the dread, and you want to insert that in the needle, and then you're going to pull the needle through of the hair. So you're going to see what I'm doing right here. So yeah, you're just basically pulling the hair through the hair, and then we're going to take the extension and loop it through the hole. So you're going to put the extension through the hole. A lot of people use their real hair, they usually stick that through the hole, but either method that works best for you, you can do the same. It'll look the same, like it's gonna be the same. And then what you're gonna do next is take the Marley twist. So I'm showing you guys the Marley twist, and then you're gonna leave like a little part, like a short part, and it's so hard to explain. Oh my gosh. So basically you're going to take like the shorter part of the Marley twist and blend it in with the rest of the hair, and you're going to take the longer part. Sorry guys, difficulties with the lighting. Sorry guys. And we're back. So basically what you're going to want to do is, oh my gosh, my friend was not holding the camera correctly, but oh man, you can't even see. So basically, if you really take a look of what I'm doing, I'm basically wrapping the hair around. Now this is the part that took the longest. Like if you're not fast with it, you're literally gonna be taking about 10 to 15 minutes trying to wrap one piece of braid, and you don't want that. So try to find like a method where you can kind of work faster. Like the more you get the hang of it, the more faster you're gonna be. So basically what I'm doing here is wrapping the Marley twist around. I'm not leaving any space whatsoever. So yeah, this is me basically showing my friend like how to kind of wrap it fast, because she was kind of doing it slow. So I was doing like a twisting method. I don't really know how to explain it. It was hard for her to pick it up, but it's like I'm twisting my right arm. I'm also right-handed, so I'm twisting my right hand in and out, and then I'm using my left hand to basically wrap the hair and throw it on the other hand, the other side. So yeah, I don't really know how to explain it, but if you like a visual learner, you'll know what I'm doing. And trust me, this method literally took me like a minute or two to do one piece of hair. So it definitely cut back a lot of timing. So a lot of YouTubers don't really show you how to kind of close off the hair so that it won't unravel. So you basically, while you're wrapping the hair down, once you have like a little piece of the hair, you would want to wrap it back up a little bit, and then you wrap it back down a little bit, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, that's really how you end it. You don't need no like lighter to burn the ends. You don't want that burny, choppy look. You don't want that look. You don't even have to take a lighter. So you just wrap the little piece of the hair that you have left when you're in the bottom. You wrap it up and then you wrap it back down. This is basically what we did so far. Just showing you guys the end and all that. It was a lot of trial and error, but we got the hang of everything. Here is a clip of my friend wrapping the dreads, and this is actually the real video. It's not sped up, so you can tell that she is not as fast as I am, because I actually had experience of doing my own faux locks last year, so I'm a little more faster than she is. But still, she is new. This is her first time trying it, so obviously I'm not expecting her to be very fast. And at the end of the day, she still did a good job. Results came out like how my results came out. So you don't need to be fast or slow. Like, I only said to do it fast if you do want to cut back on time. But if you're not in a rush, and just take your time. Okay, so this part is a very important part depending on how long you want it. So if you do want it long, one twist of Marley hair may not be enough to wrap the entire length that you want it to. She did was take another strand of Marley hair and then wrap, like started where she left off at, if you know what I mean. So yeah. Hey guys, so this video has come to an end. Overall, this is the end result of what my friend did. She did majority of the work, honestly. So her name is Mo. Follow her on Instagram, Mo Styles. I will leave all her information down below. Honestly guys, I hope that you guys all learned throughout this entire video. That was really our main focus, so that you guys could save hundreds of dollars and not have to spend literally your whole paycheck trying to get your hair done when you could literally do it yourself. Or if you can't do it yourself, you could ask a friend to do it. Watch this video and you would never go back to hairstylists ever again, period. But like, comment, and subscribe. Please read the description, because it's gonna be a whole lot of stuff. All the products will be listed down below. And see you guys in another video. Bye. Mwah.